just to the channel. If this is your first time of visiting my channel or you have been watching my video, please, I would appreciate it if you subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon for you to be part of us. So this is Free Fire. This channel is all about Free Fire games. I play and upload Free Fire gameplay. So if you're interested in Free Fire, you're in the right place. Please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon for you to be notified anytime I upload more videos like this. So that's it. This is Battle Royale. Okay, okay. Let me loot fast and leave here immediately. Woodpecker. One of the nice gun for far range. Oh, that's Woodpecker. Have a little cough. Sorry for that. Okay. Okay, there's someone around here. I can't get the guy. If not, I'll engage. But I don't engage without taking you down. Okay. He's far from me, so no need. Let me move further. Let me move further. He's very far away from me. Okay. Mm, I need something like machine gun, UMP or MP40, or even MP5 level 2 or normal level. Also, I need something. I need machine gun. Case. I need machine gun. Okay. I need to go there and take the level 3 vest. So now I'm with the level 3 vest. Let me switch this gun to Thompson. Okay. Although Thompson is not that nice, but let me manage it for now before I see MP40 or UMP. What's UMP? Oh my god, that's what I've been looking for. Level 3 bag. Oh, I'm set. I'm done. So we can now ride on. I'm done. Okay. Oh. Okay. Bison. Okay, the bison is somehow good. Okay. Okay, let's go. Mark 7. Not that bad, but I don't need Mark 7. Let's keep going. 40 players remaining. AC 80. I have Woodpecker. If not, I will exchange it with any variant that I have. But I'm Woodpecker. AC 80 and Woodpecker, but they're almost the same. But I prefer Woodpecker because of the accuracy. Okay. Mm, okay. Payments. Then move towards there. I just have 100 coins. Mm, okay, now I'm with 400 coins. 400 coins. A A4 M4 A1. Okay, this is level 3 helmet. Okay, that's very good. I'm hearing some footsteps. I think someone might be around here. I think someone might be around here. Mm, okay, let's head towards there. Mm, okay, I have 500 coins. Okay, that's still showing me coin 55 meters away from me. So let me go and pick it up. Let me go and pick it up. Okay, 800 points. Let me go shop something like lower, um, lower, mm, hermetic now, packets, and nothing. I'm okay. Let's keep going. Okay, I'm good to go. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. Alright, this is super med. Um, that's great. Okay, 25 players remaining. They are reducing. Okay, I've seen someone around there. Let me go towards them. I know whether I can kill the guy. Mm, I want to one tap him. I want to give him headshot. So it didn't work out. So let me just enter inside this house and watch out for the guy. Okay. Let me just watch out for the guy. He's inside this house. He's inside that house over there. And I think the guy don't even want to come out. But that's it. There's still someone around here. Okay. Let me take my time. Let me calm down. Let me calm down and watch out. There's one around you. Maybe come up. I'm here. The guy don't want to come up. But I'm here. You can come up for me. Okay, that's it. That's it. The guy is scared to come up. Let me go down. But they're still fighting. I think I'm in a better position to settle the
Double
fight
kill.
by killing them both. This is just a nice way of settling fight in Free Fire. You kill them both, everybody can rest. So that's it. Uh, 16 players remaining. Okay, game is just coming to an end. 15 players remaining. Yes, you can make it. Okay. I don't want to head there now. In case if there's someone else watching me, so I won't fall a victim. Don't head towards there. Oh, 100 FF coin. Okay, let me go inside this house. Uh, Grenade. Okay. Oh. I'm almost down. Oh, thank God for my spam head. Thank God for my spam head. The guy almost finished me. But I'm so lucky. Where's the guy? I didn't have any clue where the guy is. He is still throwing grenades inside. What is the guy doing? What do you want to do? Come up for me, please. Okay, 10 more players remaining. We are trying to make it out of the top 10. Oh, headshot. Oh. How? I don't. Oh.